Shot ammo. Nice. Wait, you fought 60 times in a fucking year?
Why you have to be mad?
Hey Tyler, really love your stream.
Thanks,
You
dude.
have really brightened my day, you nigger.
Yo, why the fuck isn't that bot? Is fucking... Holy... I might have to turn off... What the fuck?
It's only a game.
Yo, I might have to turn off D's, boys.
Wheel.
Yeah, there you go, dude.
Oh, you didn't pop? You're not in this game?
Oh, wait, you guys popped? That's bullshit. What the hell?
Matt, Jimmy, Duke, you know, we got squad, right? So I get this text from Matt. He doesn't know that I don't think he told you this yet, because else he wouldn't. He put don't hate me. I invited Kansas.
Oh.
Awkward moment. Now, all right, let it all in. Okay, all right. Now, chat. Look at his reaction. Okay, y'all saying just lie to her. Tell you.
Like, there's actually nothing you can do. You kind of just have to die.
Nice gameplay. Kappa aka overlay.
Thank you. Hello? Is no one home? So, look guys, we have to die this first round. We're gonna die now. Like, he's right here. Yeah, exactly. Like, you have to die the first round to start the...
How do I show you the scale of this bull right now? I don't know how to show you the scale of it. Here, I'll put the mouse for scale. This is the mouse for scale. This is how big the bull is.
Probably could have benefited from a teammate who be there. Probably.
Stop blaming other people, God.
Why am I so blind?
Your job's done. He was supposed to say job's done. It's gonna be really funny. Super funny. And then you have your sweet custom potion in your hand. It is really fun playing with Kazakis. With over 100 different potions you can make, there's always interesting decisions in front of you. And all that is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to learn more, please join us for the Hearthstone panel right here on the main stage.
I'm already warmed up. I'm already warmed up. I am warmed up.
Car's on fire. Oops. Well, that's a new problem that I didn't anticipate. Oh. I don't know what I expected. It wasn't doing that before. Oh, good point.
I'm gonna burn you.
God, take forever.
driving a bus? No wonder.
What the fuck?
God.
That's not gonna. I thought you died. You should have died.
I got crushed like a Coke can.
I just like all scatter.
Chem teacher? Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. We don't have that yet. Oh, shit! Oh, no! I just scrapped the fucker. Whoops. Well, now we definitely don't have that. Not bad. Not bad. Only medic in A objective. There you go. Whoops. That'd have been a nice... Not that I used
To be really loud because I haven't fixed it. Turn down your volume. Turn down your volume. Turn down.
Let him eat my ass.
Fuck me.
I don't take no tape.
Can we expect a montage?
Maybe Dudley. Thank you. It's PC though, so I can't hit nice shots, lul. Thank you, Dudley. Fuck.
Let's watch it again. Huh? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Daybreak? Daybreak! What are you talking about, man?
Oh, my hair is annoying me. Alright, Zarya's energy. Rolex one shot dead. A team that talks and plays decently well. I fucking love it, man. I've missed. Alrighty then. When I get a real fucking game, that happens. Are you guys just still?
Ooh, it's close to going in the close to going in the pit. I broke my car, dude. I bent it. Believe that shit? Oh, great. Oh, fucking great. Good job, Brain Cage, you fucking smartass. Good job. Now you're trapped. Now you're fucking trapped. Ugh. Fucking bench press this bitch. Come on, bench it. Bench it. Oh no!
Go back it up, board.
Mom, 2G, what?
Rap. Bitch.
You got some more rap, Mama? Wait.
Whoa! Sorry, habit. Sorry, habit. Sorry. It's a habit. I apologize. It's a habit. Listen, I'm sorry. It is a habit.
Flag on the
plane right now.
Is Tyler on?
I apologize. I said sorry.
You a B word.
I said sorry.
B-word, Mom.
Listen.
Huh?
Diss rap.
Tyler called you a bitch.
No, because I call people bitch.
Okay. Now, moment of truth.
Hey, I can play it slowly.
They're faster. You're killing me. Stop. This shit's awful stuff.
Alright, next song.
I don't